Luke, come here. You want to go up this way? Get a little shallower?
Determined to wade fish the Escatawpa, I've returned once again. And this time, I brought Luke along with me for another Out of Delta experience.
All right, buddy. All right. I don't want to get you too deep, do I, pal? All right. And you can see all the little bait-sized fish swimming through there. What you think, buddy? You okay, bud? Come on. You can make it. Come on, buddy. It's higher right here, okay? Come on, Luke. Come on, buddy. Come on, pal. Luke, come here. You want to go up this way? Get a little shallower? I know, buddy. Are you not enjoying this? Okay, well, Papa's going to tie you up here for a minute. All right, Papa will be back. I'm just going to be right out here. Water was getting a little bit deep for old Luke. So I got him over there on the popcorn tree. He's going to keep an eye on me, call for help in case I do something stupid. You can see this river is way down from what it was last time we were here. Uh-oh, I didn't get it. Now, the good thing is I can walk out there and get it. Woo. Yeah, that's getting kind of deep. There we go. Whew, getting deep here. Have to move my phone into my shirt pocket, because my bathing suit regions are about to be soaked. Cool. Damn, it's getting even deeper. Okay, here we go. Almost here. Really? I have to keep going? That was deep. Yikes. Good gosh. Beginning to wonder if this lure is worth it. Okay, it's not. Oh, well, that was easy enough. Well, I'm here. I don't know if something hit it or if I hit the side of a limb. But one of the two just happened. That was a limb. Just let it sit here and drift in this current. Okay, well, let's see what I can do about getting back over there. I think I'll move down creek to try that. Okay, where's the bottom here? Big underground stump right there. Sandbar. Wow. That's considerable. Look at that. Okay. current seems to pick up there. I wonder if that's because it's more shallow. Yeah. Much trouble as I'm having crossing the deep areas of this week. There's no way I could have crossed it a few weeks ago when I came out here and it was 10 feet higher than this. What's up, pal? Are you not enjoying this adventure, buddy? Okay, moved on down a little bit. I've had a few little bites, but I think something really small. I've seen it follow it up a few times, and doesn't look like it's much bigger than the lure. But it sure is nice being out here. Well, I think so. He's not so sure. So we're gonna probably make this a short one today. At least I was able to get down here and get in this river like I've been wanting to for months and months. I just know next time, leave old Lukenbach at home. This ain't his jam. Oh, no. That ain't a fish. I either got the lure loose or I didn't. I think I got it. Huh, something just broke right next to me right here. One of the great things I like about this little backpacking combo is if I'm gonna wade a creek like this where I really want to bring only one combo, it does give me a second option without making it hard to carry. Now I can't cast nearly as far with this. Ow. You know, it has its limitations, but as you've seen, it has been quite handy too. Alright. Right there, bud. Luke. Yeah, something's hitting it. You're trying. Tried to make a snack out of it. You want me to tie you off, buddy? So you can stay up here dry? I can do that. I'd probably drop this leash and he wouldn't go anywhere because he is not enjoying this trip. That's why I'm gonna wrap it up here in a few minutes. I can see something. It may just be debris, a leaf or something. Something bopped it. Okay. Clipped off the little curly tail and make it a little shorter. Maybe they can get it in their mouth now. tug, another tug. That boy's not enjoying this trip, so I think we're gonna pack it up and head on out of here. Oh, look at that boy. Let me get him out of here. Alright, let's get the boy. Let's get my boy. Yes, sir. Papa's back. Hang on a second. Let me unhook you, okay?
Well, I got skunked. It's been a while, but it happens. You know, I think if I could have waited a little further down the river, I might have could have gotten into some action. But you know what? I still had fun. I know for a fact that the further south you go on this river, the bigger the river gets. The bigger the river gets, the better the fishing. So we're going to keep working our way down the Escatawpa. Till then, I'll see you on the Delta.
Excuse me, old chap, but would you mind terribly clicking like and subscribe? It would mean oh so much to me, seeing how as I gave my life for your entertainment.